Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload your finished artwork and your artist statement to a Google Slides presentation. So I have not posted it yet, but once I do, there will be a link to a Google Slideshow presentation on your second period Google Classroom. So it'll just show up right here. You can click on that and it's going to take you to this presentation. So as you can see on the left here, there is quite a few blank slides that you can just click on one and then upload your work. And this will just allow you guys to see each other's work, see what you're doing, and comment on each other's work. So let's get started here. So to put in your finished art piece, you will just click on Insert up here, go to Image, and then Upload from Computer. You guys should have a saved copy of your work somewhere on your computer. Mine's on my desktop, so just go to desktop and then here it is. Mine's called Art Example. I will click on that and then click Open, and that's just going to pull it up right on the slide here. You guys can move it around, put it wherever you want, make it bigger, smaller, but don't make it too small because we want to be able to see the details in your work and read the words if you guys chose to include that. So I'm just going to leave mine here. I also want you guys to put in a text box. You can just click on that right up here and then just make a little text box on the side here and put your name in it. That way we know whose work it is. Okay, so there's my name and my art piece. So just click on the slide under that. It should be another blank one. Try to keep your artwork and your artist statement together. That way we know whose it is and it's easy to go through. So on this second piece here, we're going to click on text box again, add your name in again, just in case it gets separated and we know whose it is. So there we go. And then I'm going to add in another text box, that way I can put my artist statement in here. So once you're ready to put in your artist statement, just pull it up. You might have it in a Word document or a Google Docs. I made mine in a Google Docs, so just pull that up. Here it is, and you can just copy and paste it right into the Google Slideshow. So just select it all, copy, and go back to this and hit paste. So that way that's all in there. I have my artwork and my artist statement together. And we're also going to have you guys comment on each other's work. And to do that, just go to whoever's art piece you want to comment on, click Insert, and at the bottom here there's an option Comment. So just click on that. You can leave a comment on their work, that way they can see it. I think we're going to have a couple prompts for you guys to write about, but just to show you, you can just put in a comment there, super easy, and then click Comment. It just shows up on the side here, and it'll be left there so that the artist can read it. So that's essentially all you guys will need to do. If you have any questions, please ask Miss Olson, or you can also comment on the link that I post in the Google Classroom, and I should be able to get back to you.